we will discuss the gate implementation of SOP and POS functions. Let us start with an example of a function f equal to a b bar plus b bar c. We know that this is a sum of products functions where this is a product term, this is the second product term, and this is another product term. So there are two product terms and the two are being added. This is implemented by the AND OR, where the AB bar, first AND gate, giving you A, B bar, the second AND gate giving B bar C. So you have B bar C, A, B bar, and followed by this plus. So the plus will be implemented by the OR gate. So here you have the function A, B bar plus B bar C. This is the AND OR implementation. This is a very important understanding that the same SOP function can also be implemented by the NAND function. To understand this, we just need to recall our De Morgan's theorem, which stated that x dot y whole bar is x bar dot plus y bar. X dot y whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar. Keeping that in mind, we need two product terms. So there would be two AND gates. Both these are having two variables. So this is two input gates. A, B bar. This is A, B bar. B bar C. So this is B bar and this is C. Followed by another NAND gate will give the answer, your required function f. All these three gates are NANDs. NAND, NAND, NAND. Seeing the proof of this circuit, this is the first gate, A, B bar. It gives you the term A, B bar, whole bar. This is B bar C. So this gives you B bar C, whole bar. And if you call this as 1, this as 2, here you get the function 1 dot 2 whole bar. 1 dot 2 whole bar can be written as 1 bar plus 2 bar, where our 1 is A, B bar whole bar. This is 1 dot 2 is B bar C whole bar. So the output F is this dot this, the whole bar. If you consider this as X, this as Y, this will convert to X bar plus Y bar. So this will give you A, B bar double bar plus B bar C double bar. Remove the double bars, you get it as A, B bar plus B bar C. So you see that any SOP, now this is an SOP function, can be implemented with only NAND, NAND, NAND. We are just missing one little aspect, that this is B bar. The circuit input is B. So there will be another NAND inverter over here, which will give you B bar. And the same B bar is coming from here. So this completes the circuit. There is another NAND inverter in the input B. So we saw that an SOP function can be implemented by NAND, 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 or by AND, OR. And here too, if you see that this is B bar, The input to the circuit is normally the input B. So the input B, there will be a NOT gate, and this NOT gate will be connected to B bar like this. So this is a NOT. NOT is also called as invert. So this implementation is called as AOI, and or invert logic. And this is the NAND logic. The universal gates NAND. On the same lines, any given POS function can also be implemented by not the NAND and NAND, but by the NOR logic. Let us see the proof. Before that, if we implement this by the AOI logic, we know that this is a sum term, this is another sum term, and this is being product of sum. The sum gate is an OR gate. So this is the first OR gate giving you the inputs, having the inputs A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. Another OR gate for A plus C bar. So A, C bar. This gate is producing A bar plus C because this is a plus gate. This will give A bar plus B bar, and both are being OR AND. So it is followed by a AND gate, and here you get the function, this one. So this is an OR AND. So we call this as OR AND implementation. Again, to complete the circuit, C bar, input C, there will be a NOT gate giving you C bar. In the input B also, there will be a NOT gate giving the input B bar. So this is a NOT. AOI. So this is the AOI logic for the POS function. Now to implement with the NOR logic, remember the second De Morgan theorem, which stated that x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Keeping this at the back of our mind, let us draw, since there are two sum terms, there would be two NOR gates. So this is a NOR gate. Please remember, this is a NOR. This is also a NOR. This term has two variables, A and B. This also has two. So this is a two input gate, two input NOT. A bar plus B bar. So this is A bar, B bar. This is A plus C bar, A, C bar, followed by another NOR gate will give the final answer that the circuit is being designed for. Let us see how. Now this is a NOR gate having A bar, B bar as input. So it gives the output A bar plus B bar whole bar. This is A and C bar. So this is giving you A plus C bar whole bar. So if you call this coming over here as 1, and this is 2, this is a NOR. So this gives you 1 plus 2 whole bar, which is nothing but, so if we solve it over here, 1 plus 2 whole bar by De Morgan theorem is 1 bar dot 2 bar, which is 1 is this function. So what is 1? A bar plus B bar. This is 1. So 1 bar dot 2 is A plus C bar. This is 2. So another bar. Double bar negates itself. So this becomes A bar plus B bar into A plus C bar. So this function is obtained over here. So this shows us how, and this is a POS function. How a POS function can be implemented by NOR logic, or it can also be implemented by and or invert logic, and or invert. So this is the gate implementation. Thumb rule is POS function by NOR logic, and any given SOP function implemented by only the NAND logic. Both these are the universal gates. Thank you.